I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes all the support you need can come from a stool. And the one that's supporting me is the round cotton knit footstool by LGENHOOM. It has a beautiful cotton knit exterior, and the wooden legs are so easy to install. It's got padding on the bottom. I often cross my legs, which causes me knee pain, so I love having this available to me that I can just get out. I can put my legs up, give them a break, make sure I'm not putting undue stress on them. And the best part is that this opens up and has storage, so I can put all of my study material in there. This makes relaxing or work so nice, and that top also can be flipped over and turned into a table. The wood is so smooth and beautiful. It's such a perfect space to get things done, put a drink down. It is about 17 inches high, and the tabletop is about 11 inches wide, and the ottoman 13 inches wide. Look how easy it is to switch from tabletop, storage container, and footstool. It really is everything I need. It's beautiful, it's functional, and that's my point of view.